everybody, my name is Chef Regnolds. Why is no one clapping? Well, I guess no one's clapping, but that's okay, because today we're going to play piano. Woo, yeah! Where's the clapping? Just buy the left track. Alright, today we're playing piano. Woo, yeah, there's the applause, yeah, woo! Alright, so I got the piano right here, and we're gonna have fun playing piano, okay? Okay, so much fun. Alright, since it's not loud, I must turn it up. Yay! Chef Regnolds is now also chef piano player! The best piano player ever! Yay! Yay! Woo! Yeah! Well, thank you for watching this edition of Chef Regnolds' vlog, I guess, sort of. Not a cooking show, so I guess a vlog. Hopefully we can start uploading more. Yeah! See you in the next episode. Chef Regnolds out. Why isn't it turning off? Turn off, you stupid phone.